Hey there everyone, Jason here. Welcome back to one of my videos. In this video I'm going to talk about ski season prep and a few top tips to avoid soreness and be able to maximise your time on the slopes. Hey there everyone, welcome back to one of my videos. Jason here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning. You should know that now if you've been watching any of my videos, but welcome back. I'm sort of Capron and LMZ at the moment. Hope you'll be able to hear me okay. It's a bit windy at the moment. I'm crouching down a little bit so the wind doesn't interfere with the microphone. So in this video I want to talk about ski season prep and there's some of my top tips to avoid soreness and be able to maximize your time on the slope. And what I want to do is, when I say to all my clients, I want you to enjoy yourself on the slopes as much as possible. So one of the things to say is like pre-season preparation, focus on ski specific movements in pre-season training. That will reduce muscle soreness and it'll be able to enhance your performance and when you go skiing. Specific exercises is going to help. I can do that for you if you need it. I've done workouts and I've trained a lot of people dryland skiing if you want any help on that. So what I tell people is before they go skiing, if you think about an 8 weeks pre-season program. You know, I can do this for you. There's other ones around, but if you're going skiing and you've booked up a holiday, you want to think about 8 weeks before you go away. Just get into the gym or get some strength training into those legs and your core to get your balance, and stability, endurance up. So another thing I talk about is in hydration and take caffeine. Now, I want you to stay hydrated. Caffeine might be a bit of a people think, well, you already talk about caffeine, but consider caffeine intake. It's really good. It will minimize soreness. It's strange, but it can minimize soreness. You know, only 5 milligrams per kg body weight, so not a lot, but as you can think about, a nice espresso in the morning when you have your breakfast will help you that. Also keep you alert as well when you go skiing, so caffeine can help. Also keep hydrated. I'm skiing now in LMZ. It's like when you're skiing throughout the day you forget about drinking water. Now you can have hydration packs, which is really good, and I do recommend if you've got a backpack, have hydration pack, but you've got to keep hydrated. You've got to keep drinking the water. So if you've got bowls of water, keep stopping and drinking that. It's going to help. And another thing, next thing is a post-mobility routine. So I want you to engage in a 20-minute light activity post-ski, post-ski. So that is going to aid in recovery and prevent DOMs. You know, so when you go back to the hotel, just do a few exercises, even repeat the warm-up exercises you did at the beginning of the day. That will help in DOMs. What I do sometimes when I finish skiing, I like to do a nice walk back for 45 minutes back to the hotel because it's a little bit far, but you can do that. So it just keeps your muscles nice and supple and stuff, and it can reduce soreness, and you'll be able to ski the next day without all the aches and pains. So there we go. So there's a few ski season prep ideas that I tell people. There's a lot more, but I'm just going to go through a few that I've done now, so you know that I normally tell a lot of people. So there we go. So if you like this video, please like and share. Please hit me up on Instagram, give me a like and all that. I'll be most appreciated. If you want any more questions about my ski strength training, personal training, I'm here based in Exeter. I'm not based in Exeter at the moment. I'm in LMZ in Capron, but I do this for a lot of people. I've trained well over 50-60 people in the last few years. I've never been skiing before, and I've helped them with a few tips. Ski specific training 8 to 12 weeks before they go away. They've come back and they've told me like if I didn't do this training with you, they wouldn't have enjoyed their holiday because they were skiing a lot more better. So thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on another video coming real soon.